If you're not using tables in Excel, you really need to be. They're fantastic. They make your data dynamic, they put in the filters automatically, they freeze the headers, and then they make things like the more complicated formula, VLOOKUP, etc., much easier. Let me show you how to make a table. Click on your data, Control T on the keyboard, choose OK. When the box comes up asking you where your table range is, just double check that your table has headers is ticked. Excel has a habit of unticking that. Choose OK. And there we go. It's formatted it all for me, all with the use of Control and T. All I need to do is complete my data. So when I add in another person, it automatically extends the data range. When I add in another column, it automatically extends the table. What's not to like? Try it on your data, Control and T, save you loads of time.